Hey guys, I want to pop on here and share this list of birthday freebies that I have compiled. For many of these, you do need to create a rewards account in order to redeem, sometimes months or days in advance. So definitely, if you do plan on redeeming these rewards, I would highly suggest screenshotting this and probably creating those accounts ASAP. So let's get into it. So the first one being at Cheesecake Factory, you do get a free slice of cheesecake, and this is any flavor of your choice. My personal favorite is a fresh strawberry one. Okay, so the second one being you get a free entire Ike sandwich on your birthday. This year I got this turkey avocado sandwich that was really good. I think they changed their menu pretty regularly, so not sure if it's offered all the time. I also do like how they throw in the free lollipop as well. It's a nice little added touch. Next one on the list is Baja Fresh will load a $10 reward into your account on your birthday, and usually you end up spending probably like $4 in addition so that you can get a burrito, but anyways, I think it's still a nice reward. Next one being a Cinnabon, you get a free iced coffee. From my experience, it was kind of one of those it was limited to those basic drinks, so the handcrafted ones were usually excluded, but I don't know if that's changed. So the next one on the list also is a personal favorite, but you get a free Pizookie at BJ's. I usually like the chocolate chip one. I think I had the brownie one time, but also if you get it to go, they'll also package a carton of ice cream to complement your Pizookie. Next one, also a favorite, is the Nothing Bundt Cakes Buntlet. I spelled it wrong, so please excuse that. I usually get the red velvet one, but this year I did switch things up. I got a strawberry one. Most of these don't really check, but this one they actually do check. They want to see a valid ID, so just make sure you have that on hand when you go redeem some of these rewards. Funny story is when I went this year to get the Buntlet, there was a customer next to me and he was really curious about what I was doing, so he asked the cashier and they actually prepared little brochures about how to redeem the freebie, which I thought was pretty interesting. Next up on the list is a free scoop of Baskin Robbins. I actually have never redeemed this personally, so I don't know much about it. I don't know if it's limited to any flavors. I don't know if it's a kid's scoop, if it comes in a cone, no idea. Let me know if you have redeemed and what the experience has been like. Next up on the list is a CPK. You get a free dessert. The one time I got it, I got this molten lava cake, which was delicious. Unfortunately, CPK closed next to my house, so now it's a little bit out of the way and I haven't really been going to redeem it. Next up is at Chick-fil-A, you get a free dessert. It's either a brownie or a cookie, but personally, I love Chick-fil-A, so any excuse I have to go there, I take it. And I am so bummed, but I recently realized they actually loaded a free breakfast sandwich into my account, which I totally missed, totally didn't know. So by the time I logged into my account, it was actually expired. I hate that feeling when you miss out on a good deal. Next up on the list is you get a free Auntie Anne's pretzel. My favorite is the cinnamon one. Let me know what your favorite is. Next one, also a favorite, but I think this is also a good deal. You get a free entire Jersey Mike sub. I always get the Philly cheesesteak, but yeah, I think free subs, free cheesecake slice, those are all really great deals. Next up used to be my favorite, but Krispy Kreme used to give you a free dozen donuts, glazed donuts. But I don't know what happened this year, so it's kind of odd. But this year, I usually, from my previous experience, I usually load that birthday freebie way in advance of your birthday. But this year, I didn't get anything. So I was kind of confused. I thought maybe they took it down. I mean, I have seen instances where restaurants discontinue freebies, but then they actually did load something on the actual day of my birthday, and instead of 12 donuts is now only 3 glazed donuts, which is totally fine. A freebie is a freebie, but just wondering what happened. Did they realize that there wasn't much ROI from the birthday freebies? Let me know if you got insider knowledge. Okay, the next one is a free Starbucks drink. So this one could be any size, any flavor, handcrafted, etc. So definitely I would suggest getting a large size of your favorite drink. I mean, why not? But this one comes with a caveat. You will have to have made like a certain number of purchases, or I think spent like a certain threshold to qualify. So I actually had been spending quite a bit at Starbucks because they had a lot of like summer freebies, like buy one get one free, half off, whatever. So I actually did meet this threshold, but just keep that in mind, like not everyone gets this freebie. And then last is crumble cookie. So this year I went to get, I think, like a chocolate cookie dough one, which was really good. I think in previous years I got a chocolate chip cookie, like basic, but I love a good chocolate chip cookie. But anyways, I think I also have a picture of the birthday freebies I redeemed, so let me pop them up here. This is my Ike sandwich, delicious oozing avocado with the lollipop that they throw in. This is my free cinnamon pretzel from Auntie Anne's. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this list. Let me know if you go ahead and redeem any of these rewards. And yeah, stay tuned for more content from me.